Hello everyone, this is Shubhadra Singh, Assistant Professor, Sri Ram Swaroop Memorial University, and today we are going to discuss about different techniques of pharmaceutical analysis. And before going to different techniques of pharmaceutical analysis, first discuss what is pharmaceutical analysis. Pharmaceutical analysis is a branch of chemistry which involves the series of processes of identification, determination, quantification and purification of a substance. And this pharmaceutical analysis branch can be further divided into qualitative and quantitative analysis. In qualitative analysis, we can determine the composition of a substance, and this composition can be determined depending upon the color, order and texture of a substance. In the second part, we can deal with the quantitative analysis, and this quantitative analysis deals with the quantity of the composition present in the substance. Now we can go for the techniques of analysis, and the techniques of analysis can be divided into three main portions. The first is the manual method, the second is the chemical method, and the third is the instrumental method. In the manual methods of analysis, we can determine the substance depending upon the organoleptic properties, and the organoleptic properties involves color, order, textures, melting point, boiling point and all other physical properties. The second is the chemical method, and the chemical method is divided into three parts, that is the volumetric analysis, the gravimetric analysis and the gasometric analysis. In the volumetric analysis, we can try to determine the unknown concentration by using a standard solution, and this standard solution may be a primary standard or a secondary standard. And this volumetric analysis can be further divided into the acid-base titration, the redox titration, the complexometric titration and the precipitation titration. The second part of the chemical method includes the gravimetric analysis. Gravi means mass and metric means to measure. In gravimetric analysis, we can change our substance in the purest form, which is the precipitate form, and we can then collect this precipitate and then we can measure the mass. But the important point with this gravimetric analysis is that it is a time-taking process. The third part is the gasometric analysis, and this gasometric analysis involves the absorption or evolution of the gases, and depending upon this we can determine the nature of the analyte. The third is the electrical method, and in electrical method we can determine the current, resistance of any particular species, and this electrical method can be further divided into potentiometric, conductometric, polarography, voltammetry and amperometric methods. The next is the instrumental methods of analysis, and this is very important part, which is divided into spectroscopic methods and chromatographic method. And this instrumental methods of analysis. The spectroscopic methods involves the interaction of the electromagnetic radiation with any substance, and they can absorb the electromagnetic radiation or they can emit the electromagnetic radiation, which can help to determine the nature of the substance. And this spectroscopic method can be divided into UV spectroscopy, IR spectroscopy, NMR, MAUS and many more. And these are very sophisticated instruments. The second part of the instrumental methods of analysis involves the chromatographic methods, and the chromatographic methods especially used for the separation of the mixtures, and these are maybe divided into HPLC, HPTLC, GC, TLC, and all of these have some stationary phase and some liquid phase, that is the mobile phase, and both of these phases can use to separate the mixtures. The last part involved with the biological and the microbiological methods. The biological methods are also known as bioassays, and these are used for those substances which cannot be determined by any chemical or the physical methods. And the microbiological assays can involve to determine the potency of antibiotics. So this is all about the introductory class of different techniques of analysis. Thank you for your time.